Hi guys, and welcome to our next little video. This time I want to show you how to make a backup copy of your most important files with just one little script file that you can build yourself in 1 or 2 minutes. So what you see here is I just opened a few windows. On the bottom there is the backup in the notepad. I'll come to that later. In the background there are 3 Explorer windows. From left to right we have left the folder C script where I put the backup file. In the middle we have the thumb drive, drive letter E, with the folder backup. There's the backup file, it's the actual batch file. Batch means that everything that's written down will be processed step by step. And on the right we have our documents, our Windows 7 document folder. This will be our source folder, and the folder backup on E will be our target folder. So why is this interesting? It's interesting because with just this one little command, you can back up everything that you want to and make pretty good backups. I'm using robocopy. I just I forgot to show the file extensions. Don't be afraid of the German language. You will have those options in every language version. So this is the backup file, and you see there's backup point bat. Bat means batch file. Don't double click it. Right click and go to edit. It's bearbeiten in German. Then it will open up in the notepad, and you can alternate the commands and modify what you want. So this is a command file. Let's see what this does. CLS clears the screen. Clear screen, CLS. So I just made some gibberish. Now CLS. There, you see. This clears the screen. The next one is color 0E. Color 0E just sets the background color black and the font color yellow. There. You can alternate 0F, different font color, or 0 Bravo, there, another font color. CLS clears it again. So the next is the rem line. Rem means remove. It's basically a way of using this line as a commentary in this batch file. So every line you're putting a rem in front of means you're not going to process it. It will be ignored while running the batch file. So you can pretty much use it as a commentary version. So this is the actual command. It starts with robocopy. Robocopy means robust file copy. It's a tool that is I think in Vista and Windows 7. There it is. And there it is available out of the box. If you want it under XP or something older, you have to look it up. It's can be found online. Please just install it from official sources. This is our source folder. C users HZ documents. This is our document folder. We want to back this up, and this is our target folder. C E backup documents. This is where our backup will leave. This is the mirror switch. We'll come to this later. This is R double point 1. This means retry 1. If he can't read a source file, he retries it only once. This is wait 1 second. This means he waits 1 second before he retries this. And this is S. This means he will copy including subfolders except empty subfolders. The mirror will be the biggest problem or the biggest concern. If you mirror that folder, every change you make in the source folder will be mirrored to the target folder if you run the batch again. If you run it once he will do an exact copy of the whole folder with all subfolders to the target folder. Everything is fine. If you delete something in the source folder and then run the script again with a mirror switch on, it will also delete the files you deleted manually before. So take care of that, and be careful if you have something important there and you don't want to delete it on every hard drive you have. So this is on the right is our source folder. Just making a backup. Well, I'm not that good at preparing things. We're just copying everything there because I need that later to show you something. Come on. Yeah, in our source folder there are only some empty documents and the Lightworks and Lagarith installer, just to have some files to show progress, some smaller files and some bigger files. Okay, this is our batch file. This is what will be happening. He will clear the screen, change the color, then he will ignore the comment, then he will run the actual robocopy command, and then he will pause. Why pause? Pause means he will wait until you press any button, any key. Why did I include that? Because if you double click the batch file, it will run, but it will close after it finished. It will close eventually after it finished, and you won't be able to see what had been done. You get a small summary of robocopy of what it has done, and maybe you want to see this. So the window stays open. We are going to run the script out of the command line, so we don't actually have to use the pause. Back up bat. There. Change the color. Now he's running the robocopy command. You see he's using the Lightworks. He's copying the Lightworks files, the biggest file in the folder, 75 megabytes. You see Quelle is German for source, Ziel is German for target. Okay, Camp Studio temp files. This is also my stupidity. I used the documents folder and I totally forgot that. Just now I realized I totally forgot that the program I'm using to capture my desktop here is writing temp data into this directory. So we have an access violation right now. So this is the summary. It tells you how many directories, how many files, how many bytes, and how long it does, and what he skipped, and how fast it was. If you have to back up a huge amount of files, maybe an external hard drive to a second one, or if you have to replace a big hard drive, use robocopy. It's really great. I use it every time I replace a hard drive and use a bigger one. I'm using it even for my personal backup. I have a network attached storage here in my home, and an old computer with a big hard drive where the most important things are copied to. I use also robocopy. So we are now going into our source. Oh, that's the target. You see they're identical. We have both the same things. We're going into the source folder and we are deleting the Lightworks file, and we are deleting the Lagarith install. So we just have the small files. We have now less files or fewer files in the source than in the target. Let's just kill those also. Okay. So now we're running it again. He copied. There are the access violations. He skipped 4 and had 5 errors. And now you see in the target the files we deleted are also gone. That's what happened. We modified the source content, the files, we deleted files, and he just deleted them on the target also. He mirrored the complete folder. What he does basically is he mirrors the complete folder, and everything you do in the source folder will be done to the target folder. If you modify a file, maybe you have a document and you're writing something in it and you're saving it, then the newer version will be copied. So be careful and don't use the script automated or on system start or something like this, and you will be good to go. It's a very simple way to back up your stuff. Okay guys, see you next time.